There are 4 colors in the CPG-26 model: black, white, silver, and blue. In order for your watch to charge properly, the 2 bronze chip needs to be matched up. To download the app, scan the QR code in the watch or use the one located in the user manual. After downloading the app, make sure to update your watch using the app. This step is extremely important for the performance of your watch. To bind your devices, go to Settings in the app and click Binding. Choose the device CPG-26 and pair with Bluetooth.